If you like coffee as much as you like cake, this is the recipe for you. Place a glass bowl over a pan of hot water and whisk together 3 eggs and 100 grams of sugar. Remove from the heat and then whisk further. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 10 grams of honey and whisk these into the mixture too. Now sift in 100 grams of cake flour and 10 grams of cocoa powder, getting rid of all the lumps. Mix everything together by hand with a whisk. When combined, add 50 milliliters of milk. Stir that through, and then add 30 grams of melted butter. Now pour your mixture into a lined baking tin. Then it's time to bake at 170 degrees for 30 minutes. While it cooks, put a glass bowl over hot water and combine 2 egg yolks with 30 grams of sugar. Whisk together. Then add 4 sheets of gelatin and combine it all. Put 200 grams of mascarpone cheese into the mix. Pour in 150 milliliters of whipping cream and thoroughly whisk that through as well. Now put a layer of chocolate cake into a baking tin and pour your mixture over it. Smooth out the mixture with a knife and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Next, dip a ladyfinger into some coffee. Let it soak up, and then it's time to lay out a lot of these fingers on top of your mascarpone layer. There we go. When it's covered, you can pour over the rest of your mascarpone mousse on top. Then add a second layer of cake. And now it's time to refrigerate for 2 more hours. Remove from the fridge and place a shape of baking paper on top. Then gently dust the top of the cake with cocoa powder for extra presentation points. Remove the paper carefully. Then pipe chocolate ganache over the side without the chocolate powder. Let it dribble all over the sides of the cake. When you're finished, you can cover the seam of ganache with coffee beans in a little trail like this one. This will help to hide any tiny mistakes. And there we are. Now that you're done, as always, it's time to take a slice for yourself and enjoy the tasty results of all your hard work.